off. Welcome to the ride Skip Your Work Day with the Blue Knights. Me and Eric just took the day off so that we can join fellow Blue Knights out on a ride for a multi-chapter meeting. And we're gonna go to the Utica area, I believe. I think that's where we're going. So thought I would just capture some footage going on a road that I ride quite a bit, but I don't really necessarily film it. So got a lot of nice bikes today. It's a small group, intimate, so it's kind of cool. Be easy to capture everybody. Be a lot of fun. Plus the place that we're going, it looks like it's really good. I don't know what he's doing. Stretching his arm out, maybe? It's really nice out today. 70 degrees, perfect riding weather. Stoked to not be working. I've taken so much time off this summer. Oh my gosh. I'll have to behave during the winter time. Once we get past Fonda, like a lot of these industrial trucks and stuff, we get away from that. This is a really industrial part of 5S. Right outside of Amsterdam, in between Amsterdam and Fonda, there's a lot of what do you call it? You know, where they warehouses and stuff. So we got to get through this area, and then it'll open up to some better views and stuff. I love going over bridges. Well, ones that are lower to the river or ground. I've never been over like a humongous bridge, like way high up, like the Walt Whitman or the Benjamin Franklin bridges, like in Philadelphia. I think that would freak me out. I have been over the Rip Van Winkle now that I'm sitting here thinking about it, and that was pretty scary. But like, I can't imagine going over like those huge bridges that take you into Philadelphia. Those things are monsters. Plus there's just so much traffic. Holy, I'd try to avoid it probably, but I'd do it, I guess. Probably be fun. There's the shrine. I think that's like an Asian shrine. And then up above we have the Catholic shrine. They're really cool. You can like walk all through it and stuff. I've never done it. I've been there maybe a couple times. The Qatari shrine. That's where they did the bike lesson this year, and I missed it. Wow, that guy's going places. Someone told me that this rail trail system goes all the way, like, I think that with the hip camp, Rain at Hip Camp told me that the rail trail goes like from one end of New York to the next, if not out of state. So that's why you'll see like bicyclists with like packs and stuff, because they're doing a long camping bike thing, which is, I've always wanted to do that, but my bum hurts after a while. And bicycles, worse than motorcycles. another leader from another chapter. This is his turf, so he's taking the reins to getting us where we're going to lunch. And I'm getting dizzy with all the circles we're doing. Alright, I don't even understand what just took place there, but there you go, sister, get in there. So there are these boats that go up the Mohawk River into the Erie Canal and stuff. Sometimes they're like huge yachts. They're really, really cool. Yeah, cool. Our group just got bigger. There's probably about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14 of us maybe? 12 to 14 of us. Got some Can-Ams and some Spidey action in the group. Got some really nice Harleys, Gold Wings, BMWs, all mix of bikes. It's nice. I like seeing all different kinds of bikes. They're meeting different riders and stuff from all over. It's awesome. So yeah, I like to ride in the middle of the group so I can get an angle of everybody in front of me and in back of me and try to get a good mix of, you know, everybody. I don't always like to be in the shot, to be honest. I like trying to get everybody in the group. Oh, she's gonna block. That's cool. That's what's cool about riding with state troopers. They don't care putting themselves out there. They're used to it. So, you know, when you ride a group, the blockers are gonna want to come back up to the front, but she's staying back there. So I was trying to move over for her, but I think it's happening. Has he got a sippy cup up there? So jelly. Oh. Harley and Goldwing riders, you guys are lucky to have that sippy cup action. Us BMW riders, we just kind of like stay thirsty until we stop. I thought about putting a Camelback on, but that would be just so uncomfortable. She is brave. Oh my gosh. and heading home. We'll get you on the video. Nice meeting you.
Good photo.
Yeah, you bet. Nice meeting you, honey.
All you do on them.
Yeah, you bet. Take care.
Safe ride back.
You too.
Nice meeting you. And here in the accent. No, I don't either. Where are you?
Ooh. Okay, eating lunch does not make it any easier. There goes everybody coming from all over New York, upstate New York to come to lunch today. Totally cool. I look forward to being retired, I tell you what. Bye guys. Bye everybody. Nice meeting you.
Hey guys.
Well, our bellies are full and our smiles are on from a killer day of riding, but now we have to part ways. There's something to be said for the brother and sisterhood between law enforcement. As an outsider looking in, I can see that each and every one of them have each other's six. They have found a place in this busy world to stop and share space, break bread, and laugh about the good old days and even better days to come. I'm glad I've been invited into this space, and it feels really good to give back to so many that gave. My heart is full, and it is awesome to see that these guys and girls are being able to enjoy themselves after a full service in law enforcement. Some still serving, some just retiring, and some have been retired for quite some time. It's just good to see them laughing and smiling, enjoying life. As me and Erich peel off, we say goodbye, but not farewell. This is Sharon with She Will Ride, and until we ride again, peace out.